This tutorial will show you how to create and edit a banner in Infinite Storyboard. Banners are overlaid on top of the slide and appear on all slides. They can feature your logo. They can also feature widgets like the weather, the date and time, and even a countdown to a special event. You can browse the widgets section to see what other possibilities are available to you. Here is the banner we are going to create today. It will show the logo, the weather with an icon, and the temperature, as well as the date and time. Let's start. Banners are found on the overlay mode, so you cannot modify them on the normal workspace. To access the overlay, right-click on any of the slides from the list and select Edit Overlay. Let's add a rectangle. Insert a shape, then select the rectangle. Then under Options, you can change its color. We will set it to blue temporarily. Under the Format tab, we will change its size. So ensure that Lock Aspect Ratio is unchecked. Then under Width, change to 1920 and its height is 180. This is the default size of the banner. Position the rectangle at the bottom and center of the slide using the easy positions. There are two methods to add an image of the logo. I can either open my local files and drag and drop the image onto Storyboard. Let me delete this. Or the second option is to insert multimedia. Click on Local File, then select the image. Holding down on Shift, I resize the image while keeping its aspect ratio. I place the image on the left side of the banner. Insert a widget, scroll down to the weather section. Choose the widget that says Preview. Resize the icon while holding down on Shift to maintain its aspect ratio. Under Options, I can edit the forecast date and change the theme of the icon as well. I can even preview the theme. Next, let's add the temperature. Insert a widget. Again, under the weather section, you will find one that says temperature. Click on it. Let's format it. Notice that you can change other settings like the type of information displayed, value, forecast, and unit. You can choose to hide the unit if needed. Let's follow the same steps to add the date and time widget. Insert a widget, then select the date and time box. Format it once again. Make sure you leave some space to the left of the text box for longer months like December, when the text box content will be lengthier. We are done adding all our banner content. The final touch is to change the rectangle color. Select the rectangle. Under the Options tab, change its color to white. An animation is automatically applied to all elements in Storyboard. If you preview the slide, you can see that the banner is animated. We will deactivate the animation so that the banner remains static when the slides transition from one to the other. Select all the banner elements by clicking Ctrl-A on your keyboard. Under Format, uncheck Use Auto Animation. We can also see that all my slides have a banner applied to it. Exit the overlay mode by clicking Return on the left. Let's say I change my mind and want to change something on my banner. Return to the overlay mode by right-clicking on any of the slides. Then you can make the appropriate changes. Let's say I want to change the weather widget theme. Remember that when you modify the banner, the change will appear on all the other slides. Usually when we have a banner, we want to take that into account when we create content beneath it. We want to ensure that the banner does not hide any important text. It is also ideal for the important content to fit in the 1920 by 900 pixel space that is not covered by the banner. However, let's say we want to display content that takes up the full screen and therefore we want to hide the banner. That's the case we see here, where the banner is covering sensitive information at the bottom. We have the option to deactivate the banner on specific slides. Select the slide where you want to deactivate the banner. Make sure no elements of the slide are selected. Under Options, uncheck Draw Overlay. Now for this specific slide, the banner will not be featured. Remember to save all your changes once you are done. That's it for the tutorial. See you next time.